Top of the morning to you guys. I'm back with another video. On this tutorial I will quickly show you how you could enable the dark mode for Instagram. To enable this feature, you need to have a system-wide dark mode available on your device. I believe Apple introduced the dark mode on iOS 13, so if you're an Apple user, you need to have iOS 13 installed, or if you're an Android user like me, you might already have this feature if you are on Android 9 or above. Okay, so if your phone has a dark mode, let's jump right into the video so that I could show you how to enable it for Instagram. So go to your Play Store or App Store if you're on an iOS device and search for Instagram. This new feature was introduced on the latest update, which you can see on the screen right now. So check if you have any updates. If you do, install them, and let's get to the next step. Now all you gotta do is enable dark mode. For Apple users, just open up the display and brightness settings and toggle the dark mode option. And you could also ask Siri to turn on dark mode for you. And for Android users, this method might differ from one device to another, but these steps should pretty much be the same. So go to display settings and toggle the night mode option. If you can't find the option to turn it on under display settings, just go back a level and search for dark mode or night mode. If you still can't find it, just go to Google and check how to turn on dark mode for your device. Because some manufacturers change the name according to their branding. I don't know why they do that, but just go to Google and check how to turn on dark mode for your device. Okay, so to wrap it up, once you update Instagram and turn on dark mode on your device, you should be good to go. But there is a catch though. Instagram still doesn't have a toggle to turn off dark mode within the app. So if you wanted to turn off this feature, you will have to turn off dark mode on your phone. And that's not very convenient, but hopefully they will give us an update for this in the future. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any trouble following this tutorial, you know what to do. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. And if this video worked for you guys, make sure you leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Peace out.